Hi guys, I got here 2022 Hyundai Tucson. I'm gonna show you how to replace your front bumper. Ito nga, press na press 2022 Hyundai Tucson. So first things first, on the top of your bumper or where the grill is, there is clips, four clips. Oops, I drop it. So there's supposed to be four push-up clips that you have to remove, and all you have to use is a pry tool or any flat screwdriver that you could be able to push up the clips. And after that, on the side of your vehicle where the wheel liner is, there's like three clips and a 10 millimeter, and make it four push-up clips and 10 millimeters on that side. Yeah, right there. And that you have to remove, that is on the passenger side. So whatever I do in the passenger side, it will be the same on the driver's side. Yeah, just looking for the clips that I lost. There you go. Pop up that grill, and then you will see there's a clips on the grill. So once you remove the bumper, you have to remove also together because it's already attached with the bumper. So be careful. This is plastic. It's really brittle. So just shake it really slowly, and then you can pop up the grill. So using your pry tool, you can remove the four clips on this side. Just pop up everything. There's four push-up clips you have to remove, which I'm doing it right now. Then once you remove it, partially remove your wheel liner and try to reach out at the back side of the fender flare, so we could avoid breaking all the clips that attaching that fender flare on the bumper. So guys, just be patient on taking this off because this new design always break all those clips or any plastic thing that holds at the back. Yeah, just really do it from the bottom to go on top. There's like different kind of clips that we have over there. And then at the end, oh yeah, I almost forgot, there's a 10 mil that you have to remove, right? Those brakes, we're just gonna replace it. So those are the clips that's holding it. So clips from the sides, from the edge, and then clips in the middle. So you guys really have to be careful. So this time I have to remove 10 mil on that side. So again, whatever I do on this side, you have to do it on the driver's side too, okay?
Pwede na natin tanggalin yung bumper. Yan yung pagtanggal ko, ha. Oh. I don't like the design kasi nakikita nyo
So after you guys remove both side, driver and passenger side, where the wheel liner and fender flare, go underneath. There is like 410 mil bolts that you have to remove. Not bolts, yeah, bolts 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys. And once you remove it, and we're getting ready to move the bumper. Again, if you don't have anybody else to work with you to help you, but I'd rather ask somebody else for you guys to remove the bumper because it's really tricky. Right there, I'm just shaking it really slowly, and then there you go. So right there, once I put it down, I almost forgot, the plug-in for heater plug-in. This is the design that I really hate because the design is not, they didn't put it on the right spot. Like, it's just an add-ons on the Hyundai. That's hello Hyundai, please. Better check your design about where to put the plug-in on your heater core, or not heater core, plug-in for heating your engine, or especially when it's cold in winter. Right there, having hard time to take this off. I'm gonna show you what did I do. So this is what I did. It's actually not really designed for this grill. So I just removed this lacket behind at the grill, just counterclockwise. That's when you took it up, just It's kind of really tricky, but because you cannot unplug it from inside because it's all the way underneath on your engine bay or engine not bay. I don't know. It's really underneath. So that's why I just what I told you. You really need the help or any hands on to help you, another hand to help you. But if you know what you're doing, you can do it by yourself, especially when you're working in your garage. So there you go. That's how I did it. So once you remove this, just you know the tricks. It's easy. It's just common sense. I don't know why am I showing it to you really slowly on this one. It's just right there. Yeah, put that ring back inside and then voila. And then now we can remove the plugins for your sensors for your front bumper sensor.